and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I have been really wanting to do this video for quite some time now. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. I don't know what is going on. I've just been doing so much stuff with hair and it's still pink. This isn't normally my go-to date night look. The last few times that him and I met up, I didn't really look this glammed up or anything. I really want to look nice for this person. For dates, I do prefer going on the more, I guess, natural looking side. I don't like wearing bright lipstick or having too much eyeshadow going. So if you want to see how I got this date night look, then please keep watching this video. Alright, so welcome to the tutorial portion of this video, and welcome my bare face back on camera. It's been a little while. Okay, I'm terrible with names, but this is the HENRISKEN Truth Serum. So I'm gonna start off by applying this to my face. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna be using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Next off, I'm going to be using my STILA One Step Correct color corrector. Now, I don't do this every day, but I will be using my STILA color corrector palette. I'm using this very bright, kind of light pink color right here, just to fix some of my hyperpigmentation that I have going around on my mouth. For foundation, I'm just gonna be using my beauty blender here and the GLAM Glow setting spray and just kind of mist it on there a little bit. And using my Clinique Even Better foundation. I find this is a really good foundation for like a medium to light coverage. I find with this foundation, you can still see my freckles underneath, and it's not too much of a coverage, but it still gives enough that, you know, you don't look like a zombie if you didn't sleep enough. This is in the shade WN12 in Meringue. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm L7. And then to set my foundation and just kind of get rid of this overall shine, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Peach Perfect Translucent Setting Powder. I'm gonna try to lightly contour my cheeks, and to do that, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my Too Faced Cosmetics Papa Don't Peach blush. What I like to do is apply my eyeshadow primer right before I do my eyebrows. That way it has time to kind of set on my eyelids. So I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Cosmetics Shadow Insurance Eyeshadow Primer. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the NYX Eyebrow Gel, and this is in the shade Chocolate. I'm gonna add a little bit of depth to my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Soap and Glory Illuminizing Highlighter. I'm just like, what is this called again? Just make those eyebrows pop a little bit more. To be honest, I still have no idea what our date plans are for tonight because he was supposed to let me know what time we were supposed to go for this movie. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and hope that he gets off work and tells me what our plan is. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Just Peachy Mattes by Too Faced. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, which is the Peach Butter. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Puppy, which is this guy over here, and I'm gonna use that kind of around my creases. And then I'm gonna go back with my peach palette and take Peach Butter again. Now going back with my Stila Eyes or the Window palette, I'm gonna go with this shade over here, which is called Go Lightly. I'm gonna warm things up a little bit and add more depth, so I'm gonna be going in with my Stila Matte and Metal palette, and I'm gonna be using this warm brown shimmer color here called Smolder. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the eyeshadow that I just applied. And I'm gonna take Puppy again with this angled brush here. And then I'm gonna sweep underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go back with my Peach palette and take Peach Butter again and blend underneath my eye. I'm gonna go ahead with my Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna add a little bit of drama to this look, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever eyeliner, and this is in the shade Whatever Black. And then using a smudge brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge the black that I just applied. Now using my Sephora eyelash curler, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara. This is by Lancome, it's the Grandiose in Waterproof. So the type of lipstick that I will pick for a date, it really depends on who I'm seeing, if it's the first date. This is kind of like the fourth date now. I don't want to be wearing like super bright lipstick and getting that all over him. So still going with the more natural, less heavy look. I like to keep it safe, pick something a little bit more matte that's kiss proof. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Dior Rouge liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Lively Matte. It's moisturizing, it's hydrating, but it's also a matte lipstick that does turn into a stain. So what I like to do if I wear this lipstick is I'm gonna take just a tissue paper here and I'm gonna blot my lips for 1 second. Just to take off any of the excess kind of lipstick that's on there. The good thing is that this will dry and then it'll become a stain, so then by the time we meet up, this won't be a problem. It will be kiss proof. So the makeup portion of this look is all complete, so I'm gonna go back with my GLAM Glow setting spray. Okay, so I'm gonna be okay. I finally got the go-to that I do have a date tonight, so I'm gonna continue on with my hair. Ooh, there was a slight moment of panic there, guys. The first thing we're gonna do before doing our hair is we're gonna brush it. I'm gonna be using my Tangle Teaser hairbrush. I have my gloves on for curling. Today I'm gonna be using my Lange hair barrel. I believe this is 1.5 inches. I got this sent to me last year and I love this so much. It heats up really well. It's the perfect size for the type of curl that I like. The rule when curling your hair is that you always wanna be curling outwards to frame your face. So I'm gonna be wrapping this around like so. And the glove helps because then I can hold the hair against the barrel just for a few moments. Pull and release. Now we have this nice curl here, and then just repeat. Curling your hair when it's 30 degrees outside. Woo, it's like I have to shower all over again. This is so hot. Yes. Oh, this feels so good. Okay, and then just to make sure that this effort here actually stays, I'm gonna be using the Finesse Keratin Protein Hairspray. This is actually how I apply hairspray. I literally just whip my hair back and forth. It creates this nice volume look. All right, so that pretty much concludes the tutorial. I'm really excited to go on this date. Even though we are just going to the movies, I don't know how this is gonna go. I know on camera it doesn't look like there's a lot of makeup on my face, but you know, a lot of effort went into this. I hope you guys like this video and that maybe you feel inspired to come up with your own date night look. I'm really happy with the turnout. I think I'm gonna do it more often. I guess depends if I get more dates. I don't know. Maybe this guy will want to see me again. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button. My Instagram is v_Vogue, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!